What happens when two giants in the sports fashion industry merge? A seismic shift in the landscape of athletic retail that sends ripples throughout the global market. A story of such magnitude is unfolding right before our eyes. As JD Sports Fashion plc, a titan in the sports fashion world, has announced its intent to acquire Hibbett Inc., an esteemed athletic-inspired fashion retailer. At a value of approximately $1.08 billion, JD Sports is set to buy all outstanding shares of Hibbett at $87.50 per share in cash. This deal represents a hefty 21% premium over Hibbett's closing price on April 22, 2024. A clear indication of JD Sports' strategic intent to expand its footprint in the United States and solidify its position in the global sports fashion market. This union brings together two customer-focused leaders in the athletic retail industry. An expanded platform for brand partners to distribute the latest in athletic fashion products is now on the horizon. This strategic alignment is predicted to create substantial value for stakeholders and significantly bolster JD Sports' presence and offerings in the U.S. market. Hibbett's current president and CEO Mike Longo will continue his leadership role, expressing enthusiasm for the new chapter ahead with JD Sports. Jared Briskin will step into the role of Chief Operating Officer of Hibbett, ensuring continuity in management and strategic direction. Hibbett will maintain its headquarters in Birmingham, Alabama, preserving its established corporate culture and ongoing community commitments. Subject to customary closing conditions, including approval from Hibbett stockholders and regulatory approvals, the transaction is expected to close in the second half of 2024. Upon completion, Hibbett will join JD Sports' impressive portfolio of athletic footwear and fashion retail brands, ceasing to be a publicly traded company. Regis Schultz, CEO of JD Sports, describes the acquisition as a transformative step for JD Sports. This move allows JD Sports to further meet the dynamic demands of global consumers by integrating Hibbett's well-established U.S. presence and complementary business operations. In summary, this acquisition represents a pivotal moment in the sports fashion industry. It unites two leaders in athletic retail, expands JD Sports' footprint in the U.S., and creates substantial value for stakeholders. With this move, JD Sports continues to execute its strategy of global expansion, enhancing its multi-brand platform and setting the pace for the future of sports fashion retail.